stop sign. Had to do it. Oh my god. Woo! That shit. 120 maybe? Maybe. Oh shit, he's keeping up. You're gonna be a demon on that fucking Ducati, bro. I'm on that road mode right now. Damn, 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 boy. Balls of fucking tungsten, bro. This guy's ripping it across traffic, referencing me. Is that what you're doing, bro? Of course, man. Woo, baby. Oh, 30. Sounds good. Oh, baby. E. Woo! Race fuel. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. What you guys want to take? Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, you go ahead, bro. Ooh. I'm just... Thank God, bro. We're gonna... You have great power and you're handling it responsibly, bro. That's all. Those damn toasters, bro. I'm just... Holy shit! I gotta get some. I'm gonna call him Harry Styles now since he can wheelie, bro. Oh shit! What the fuck? I gotta get closer to this, bro. I'm ready. Oh, oh, oh! What the fuck? God damn! Harry Styles in the house. My turn. I'm kidding. No way. Yeah, that was sick. I got it. I got it. I should have recorded it in high frame rate so I could slow it down. To make it last longer, you know? Yeah. Damn. There's a bump here, bro. Watch out. Oh, damn. Oh, this is nice. Damn, boy. Oh, yeah. Sandwiches, bro. Gotta catch up to Vic. You don't need no Ducati, bro. Nah, bro. You're faster than us. Yeah. Oh shit, look at him go. He's ripping it, man. This highway's a little too busy for me to want to rip it, bro. Oh yeah, they're out in force right now. Oh man, I gotta love that fourth gear. Yeah. Woo! All right, bet 1 mile. I take 37, bro. Bro, watch out. Holy moly. Careful at 37, guys. ADV life. Oh, damn. I have to stand up for that. Woo. Oh, the light. I'm just gonna pause here, let Tila catch up. Hell yeah. Woo! It's all good, man. We want you to catch up. Yeah. Yeah. Look how smooth this thing is. What? No, wrong place, bro. Inside me, bro. Yeah, very nice, actually. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah? Oh, no, I didn't bring my umbrella. Oh, no. God damn. Oh, yeah. Woo. What the fuck? Act like nothing happened. Yeah. I might do a Yui and just... Nah, there's too many cars anyway, so... We can't rip it. Wow, look at this. There's a giant pothole there, too. Yeah, you flew over it, bro. That's what happened. It's okay. We go where the road takes us. Are we going through the bridge again? Let's do it. Let's run it to the bridge. Oh no, wait. Yeah. That bridge is calling my name. No, I'm good. I'm here for the sunset. Heck yeah. Alright. I got footage. Yeah.